kids. This is my boat. Welcome aboard. We're going to start off with the snake sound. It's pretty easy. It's just kind of a long S sound. It's just kind of a long S sound. The snake that makes the most noise would be the rattlesnake. It's got a rattle on the end of its tail, and it vibrates it really fast. And it kind of sounds like this. And you can do that by putting your tongue across the top of your mouth and blowing out and make it vibrate. Just kind of let your tongue flop around when you breathe out.
Wait, I got going.
So when you're doing the bat sound, you want to think of making the kissing motion with your lips. But you want to push your lips together really tight and barely pull any air in, and it kind of makes it squeak. And if you move your lips just a tiny bit, you'll make that squeaky sound.
Didi, you do the noise. I'm really bad.
That's okay. That's why we're learning.
So this is the sound of a bear. The one that I do is a little bit scary. It's usually when they're kind of angry, but it's kind of funny too. Kind of the way to do it is to do the grr sound, go grr. But you've got to do it breathing in. Don't choke yourself, but breathe in while you're saying grr, and you can get the grr, grr. And then you open your mouth on the inside, you go. And then when you use your hands to cover it, you get the really deeper sound.
Bears go.
This is the hardest something.
The Gila monster doesn't make a lot of noise, but when he's scared or angry, he makes a kind of hissing sound. It's not like hissing with an S, but if you put the tongue on the roof of your mouth and close your mouth up and then blow out, it just... So when you do the B sound, we want to make the sound and then take your lips and close them really tight so it just barely get any air out. And it... So close your lips really tight and just try to... And to make it sound really effective, you can move your jaw and your lips a little bit, and it gives it a sound just like a bee.
My lips tickle.
So I'm going to make the hedgehog sound kind of like a choo-choo train. Ch, ch, choo-choo. Ch, 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 ch.
Hedgehog.
Choo choo.
Thanks for joining us on board today, kids. Remember, keep working on those animal sounds. Captain Al, signing off.